Okay, we have a Fadal 4-axis vertical machining center model 4020 HT. Serial number 012005037595. Machine was new in 2005. We're going to run it for you. We're running at 2400? 400 RPM. It's a Cat 40 spindle. 1200. 2500 RPM. You have a 48 by 20 table, 40-inch X travel, 20 Y, and 20 of Z. He's running the Z. You have box ways. You have a side-mounted tool changer, 24 tool capacity. Searching for a tool. Okay. Again, he's running the Z. Y. X. And your B rotary table, and which is equipped with a chuck right now. Machine also has a chip conveyor. You have coolant system, and hey, oh, the Fadal multiprocessor control too, with a LCD flat screen. Thank you for watching our video.